I'm making a Halloween care package today because my third oldest has gone off to college. She's been away for about a month now, and I think it's still fun to get some things from home. And I mean, she's definitely too old for trick-or-treating now, but she's not too old to have something that's homemade and a little sweet treat to have while she's at college. So I start off by getting a pretty nondescript box. Generally speaking, when I'm sending something through the mail, I want to make sure that it doesn't look good from the outside, just so that I reduce the chances of it being stolen. And then I chose veggie straws because I know that she likes these, and I also know that it'll provide some good packaging. I made a number of Halloween treat bags for her because she's kind of into that cottagecore, kind of cutesy look, not into the scary Halloween, which is good because I'm not into that either. So I'm not sure she'd get a whole lot from me in that direction. But I think that these turned out so cute. And I mean, I even made some little witches hats. And these have, let's see, this one has chocolate covered raisins in it. The nice thing about these little bags is that I can take items that she enjoys and put them in here, and then all of a sudden it seems like it's a Halloween treat, and I don't have to go buy those items that have the specific Halloween candy wrappers. I mean, it doesn't really matter if you're doing something like this. I'll put the witches' hats in first because I need them to kind of drape over the bag here. I actually did 2 witches' hats for her because she has a roommate and I thought it might be kind of fun for her to share. And this one also has the chocolate covered raisins. I do have a video of how to make these little hats if you want to see that one. I also made a little purple bat. And this one's fun. It just has Dove chocolates in it. They're dark chocolate, which she enjoys. As I place them in here, I try to place them so that it'll be kind of cute when she opens it up, which can be a little bit difficult if I'm being honest, especially since I try to get it really full so that they're not moving around. So my candy corn actually ended up being a little bit misshapen. I think it's okay though because it's full of candy corns. She can just eat the candy corns and then decide what she wants to do with this little guy. I also did a mummy that's filled with chocolate. And I did 2 of these little ghosts because I just thought they were so fun. One of them has peanut M&Ms in it, and the other one has Dove chocolates and what was the other thing? Oh, Dove chocolates and candy corns. I also have a video on how to do the little ghost bags. They were very simple to do. In addition to those, I have this cute little patchwork pumpkin that I made for her, and this one has chocolate covered almonds in it. And then I have a bunch of these Aussie Bites. This particular daughter of mine, she really tries to be healthy, but I know that she's been very busy this year with all of the classes that she's taking. So I wanted to send her something that would be healthy, but quick and easy for on the go. The other thing is that as I tuck these around the items that are already in here, it will provide that cushioning. I tried to choose items that were a little bit more like fall colors, the golds, the browns, the oranges, and then it makes it so that when you look into the box, I don't know, you just kind of get more of a feel for it, that it's a holiday box. I also got little salted caramel chocolates. These are actually really good. And I'll just spread these throughout the top. And then I'll add my Ferrero chocolate. And I got those in the milk chocolate as well as the dark chocolate. And I just kind of scatter those along the top. Finally, I take some tissue paper and I just kind of crumple it up just so that it provides a little bit of extra cushioning. There's a tiny bit of space at the top, but I really don't want stuff rolling around in the box. And then to top it off, I'll just put a little leaf on the top, as well as I'll include a letter to her that just has some personal comments in it. And then I'll package this up and send it to her, and she will hopefully feel just how much I love, appreciate, and miss her.